Hi guys, it's Tim from Advancing Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a 2016 VW Golf 7 SV or sports van. We've done a few bits to this car already. We fitted aftermarket parking sensors, and we're going to be doing a camera at some point as well. But today's retrofit is all about folding wing mirrors, hence why we're looking at the wing mirror right now. So what have we done? We have removed the existing mirrors and door modules and switch and fitted all new equipment so that the customer can then have folding wing mirrors, and the beauty is that it will all fold on lock. Another great feature of this, because we've gone for the Highline folding wing mirrors and the Highline doors, you can't see it at this angle, but I'll move the camera in a second. It's also got wing mirror puddle lights, so it will light up at night. You do need to have the auto lights function for this to be able to work, and then a bit of coding behind the scenes makes it all work. So really simply on this car, you have to make sure in the media system under car settings that you've got fold on lock activated. You quickly push and hold on this car. The wing mirrors fold in. I'll just zoom in very quickly so you can see it folding out. So some vehicles on the VW platform are different. Some won't fold out until you put the ignition on, and this one folds out when you do the lock and unlock. Now, so if I unlock it now, the mirror is folded out. So that's how it will be when we do the retrofit to your vehicle. I'll move the camera around very quickly just so that you can see this puddle light action in feature. So give us 2 seconds. Okay, so I've just readjusted the angle of the camera very slightly just so that you can see. We're looking down here. So the car's currently locked and the mirrors are folded in. So pretend it's night time. Like I said, you need the auto lights feature for this to be able to work. So you simply just blip the controller. They fold out, and there you go. And then you get this lovely little white glow puddle light that shines down quite well all the way down the vehicle, and it will be down onto the ground as well. So perfect at night when you lock and unlock the vehicle. You'll get that nice glow. You'll see it's your car, and of course, as it's puddle lights, when you're getting out of the car, you'll know that there's puddles underneath. It will also work when you come out of the vehicle and open the door. They'll light up. And just unlock it again, just so it comes back on. On this particular setup, the customer has wanted it so that when it folds in, the lights dim off, but you can change with some of the advanced coding. So when you lock it and hold, this one, the light turns off, but you can change it so that it stays up and glows down the side of the vehicle if you so wish. So what we'll do is we'll move the camera again. I'll just show you how it works from the inside, and also quickly of the composition system on how it works on that. Okay, so just quickly readjusted again. We're popping the ignition on, and as you can see, we've got a whole new control panel here. Then you get a new switch, new grille. It's all one unit, and all you simply do is when you're on your left and your right, you flick it in. The mirror folds in. Perfect for if you're going into a garage or something like that, or down country roads. And when you want it out again, quickly flick it again to the left or the right, and there you go. Nice and easy from the switch. Okay, last but not least, I just wanted to show you the composition system and how you access the control for the wing mirrors. This really shows that it is a genuine bit of kit when you have this sort of functionality. So just showing you my process, click car, click settings, mirrors and wipers, and you've then got this section called mirrors. We've also activated synchronous adjustment for this customer and the folding when parked. You literally tick it or untick it. In this instance, we're going to leave it unticked because the customer doesn't want it to fold in automatically and fold out because of where he lives. But you have that control. So when that's unticked, when you click and hold the remote, they're not going to fold in. When you do click it, they will fold in. So this is a VW Golf 7. We've retrofitted the genuine Volkswagen folding wing mirrors. You don't necessarily have to have the SV. It can be any Volkswagen. We just need to know information about it and to see if we need the door modules or we don't need them. But if you need any more help and advice, comment on the video below. We really appreciate if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. It makes what we do really worthwhile and helps us out a great deal. And as always, thanks for watching.